Wagwan chatter, bad boy Sekki. And right now me a scream, cause me want be like Kai Shanat them. Wait this, see some of the comment here. Look on Sekki with no Blikki. What is a Blikki? Cho, see somebody else a comment here. Look on Jamaican Johnny Bravo. Hey, we are called Johnny Bravo. Stop comment if I work me there. Look where me there, which part me there, and I work, warm to you. So right now, if una nah send gift, no super chat, no soaps, me a go block you. Matter of fact, moderator, block them. Wait, how we get moderator now? Shut, how me get moderator? Sekki, you know see the man them behind you. Why if the man them behind me? What you talk about?
Yo, Johnny Bravo, are you where we come for?
What you talk about? Why if the come? Bro God, Marky G?
Bad boy Sekki was in a terrible accident until the doctors renewed him and turned him to Robo Sekki, the baddest security guard ever.
Give me a thing if you want to live.
Yo, Sekki, wake up!
What? Keisha? Wait there, where me there?
Boy, the man them must have really lick your hand.
Why if it lick hard? Anyway, last thing remember, Power and Shower try rob me.
No, Sekki. A 2 man in a mask plus. You're gone viral.
What you talk about?